why you procrastinate, and how to fix it. What's up, fam? You are listening to Rhythm for Revenue. This is your CEO of I'm Worth It Incorporated, Liberty v. Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and yours don't have to either, my friends. Make sure that you share this with a friend who needs to hear this today. And if you really enjoy this, please give us a review in Apple. You are worth it. You procrastinate because you're not proficient. You're not good at something, so it makes you insecure about doing it. I used to be terrified of making video content. I was afraid that I wasn't pretty enough, I wasn't smart enough, and worst of all, I was afraid that my message would not be received and that others would perceive me as an idiot. So how did I change that? And how can you change that? Simple. Massive action. Okay? Starve your fear of its favorite food, time. Fear grows stronger with time. So don't delay. Make tons of video today. You got something to say. We all do. So go say it. Don't worry about your hair, your clothes, or saying things quote unquote perfectly. Okay? By the way, there's no such thing as perfect, and you can always find a way to make it better or worse. And perfection is in the eye of the beholder. Okay? Your community will love you because you had the guts to make video and they don't. Okay? Notice followers. Followers don't make videos. Okay? They watch them. Understand? So if you want to make video content, you have to actually, if you want to have fans, you have to actually go out and make video content. I prefer to call them friends and family versus fans. But anyway, if you want my resume, check it out. You want proof that I know what I'm talking about? Well, just go check out my TikTok, where I built 183,000 fans, quote unquote, that I call family, and is still climbing. I started this while I was homeless, okay? I didn't count how many videos I was going to make in a day. I didn't say I'm going to make 3 or I'm going to make 30. I just had something to say, and I pushed record, and then I uploaded it. That's it. I'm not limiting myself. If I have something to say, if I have a video I want to make, boom, I just make it, I upload it, and I don't worry about what people are going to think, and I don't worry how many likes, how many views. I don't worry about I don't worry about comments. I don't worry about shares, none of that. Because guess what? The quantity leads to the quality, okay? So the only way that you will become proficient at something that you want to do is by doing it, okay? And the fact that you start to get good at it, it will cause you to do more. In other words, the more you do, the better you're going to get. The quantity leads to the quality. So the more you do, the better you will get, and the more you will do, and you'll get even better. So don't delay. Make video content today. You are worth it. Thank you so much for listening to Rhythm for Revenue. Once again, my name is Liberty v. Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and yours don't have to either, my friends. Do a review for us on Apple. Thank you so much. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube and TikTok. You are worth it.